Hey, Puey.
Yeah.
Today I want to talk about 3 cool things in the advancements of water engineering.
Wow.
These are things that are happening today, and they may spread and happen in a lot of other places too. The first thing I want to talk about is the Delta Conveyance Project.
What's that?
The Delta Conveyance Project?
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what a delta is. A delta is at the end of a river, and all the branches of water go off and different things, and there's a whole lot of great fresh water. That's where farmers get fresh water for growing plants, and we get water for drinking and all kinds of things.
Where's that at?
That's up north. It's just to the east of San Francisco. The Delta Conveyance Project.
Okay.
Conveyance. Let me tell you what conveyance is. Conveyance is moving water from one place to another. And the third part is project.
Okay.
It's something we got to do. A project is something we got to do. So the Delta Conveyance Project, it's really cool. What's happening with the Delta? There's a problem.
What's the problem?
That problem is that it's not consistent water. The ocean levels are rising, which could make all that fresh water salty.
Ew.
Can you drink salty water?
No.
No, you can't. Another thing that might happen,
You could if you're a
earthquakes.
fish.
Yeah. You know what an earthquake is, right? Exactly. So if an earthquake happens, that could mess up the system here, and there may be a drought. There may not be enough water. So what they're going to do, Puey, they're going to build a giant tunnel.
A tunnel?
Like the biggest tunnel you can imagine. It's going to be 40 feet wide.
Wow.
That's bigger than your classroom. Imagine putting your entire classroom inside of a tunnel. And it's also going to be 150 feet below the ground.
150 feet below the ground, the tunnel?
Yeah, the tunnel. Imagine this. If you went to the zoo and you saw a giraffe, and you imagine 10 giraffes on top of each other, that's how deep they're going to put this tunnel that's 40 feet wide.
Where is this again?
It's east of San Francisco, and they're going to run this thing underground. They're going to take it down south of there, and then they're going to put it into an aqueduct and get it to where it needs to go.
Hey, let's go see it.
We can't see it.
Why not?
It's not built
Top
yet.
secret?
They're working on it right now.
Oh.
It may take 10 years, maybe 15 years. And some really smart engineers are working on it right now.
Cool.
Now I want to talk about another cool thing. Recharging the aquifer.
Recharging like a battery?
Like a battery, yeah. So you know that aquifers are filled up with water underground, right? They're underground.
Under the ground.
And we get water from them through wells and things like that. But what happens if the water goes away?
We get thirsty.
We get thirsty, so they got to put water back in so we have it for later. I am going to build a little aquifer here.
Looks like a jar.
Yes, well, this is a jar filled with rocks. I'm going to put rocks into my aquifer because there's a lot of rocks there. Also, a lot of dirt. I'm going to put a lot of dirt in there.
Ew.
Okay, so we're going to pretend that this is an aquifer, but there's no water in there because we've been using it.
It's dry?
It's dry. So we need to recharge it by putting water into it. Purposely putting water into it. So what they do is the engineers take out some H2O like that. They put a little hole in here and they pour the water in the hole here. And it seeps down, 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 down. Just like that. Can you see how that water gets all the way down there?
Oh, yeah.
It's recharging the aquifer.
Like a battery.
Yeah. So some places around California are doing this, and maybe some more places in the future. But whenever the aquifer gets low, they can take water from runoff. They can take water from sewers.
Ew.
Yeah, but you know what?
What?
They clean it first.
Like with soap and a towel?
No, they clean it with filters. They run it through filters. Gets it kind of pretty much clean because you don't want to put dirty sewer water in there or dirty runoff water that might have fertilizer in it or some kind of chemicals. You want to clean it up. And they put it in there and it seeps down into the ground and they recharge it. So we'll have it for later. Pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantasmical.
Now, we've talked about fresh water and we've talked about salt water. Can you drink salt water?
If you're a fish.
Yeah, if you're a fish. Are you a fish?
I don't know. I'm thinking. No, I'm not a fish.
Of course you're not a fish. You're a pig. You're a very proud pig.
Yes.
Puey, They figured out how we can drink salt water.
Really?
Yeah, they do a thing called desalination.
Desalination.
Desalination. That's when you take the minerals and the salt out of water, so you're left with pure, clean H2O. And you can drink it. Now they build these big giant plants. They've got really smart engineers at the water districts and the water agencies, and they're figuring this thing out. But you can only do it when you're close to salt water, which is like close to the ocean.
Oh.
So not everybody can do it. Not everybody needs to do it. But when they really, really, really need some water, these engineers are figuring out new ways of taking the salt out and leaving pure H2O.
That's water.
That's water. Pretty awesome stuff.
Phantasmical.
That's some amazing advancements going on in water today and into the future.
Oinky doinky.
There's so much to know about this thing, H2O.
Water! Like what happens when it's cold or hotter.
Look up in the sky at the clouds way up high.
Whoa, it's hard to imagine it's water!
We learn we need to drink it to survive. We use it every day of our lives.
Remember we told you to turn it off.
We've gotta be water smart.
Reservoir.
But now we're gonna tell you
To turn it on.
Hey, turn on your kindness and heart. Thank you very much.
We checked out different pipes.
and when not to throw the wipes.
You might see condensation on glass.
Condensation!
Precipitation's rain. Don't pollute the drain.
And molecules go crazy when they're
Yes!
When you sneeze, turn the other way.
And wash your hands many times each day.
Remember we told you
To turn it off.
we've gotta be water smart. But now I'm gonna tell you
To turn it on.
turn on your kindness and heart.
Come on, everybody, do your part. Turn on your kindness and heart.
Hey, Puey,
Yeah.
this is the last video.
Oh.
We have to say goodbye to the kids.
Oh.
But you know what? I've had so much fun,
Me
haven't
too.
you?
Yeah.
Oh, we've learned all about water conservation and water science. And it's not goodbye.
No?
No, it's just until we see you next time. Until then, be healthy, have fun, and thanks for being there.
See you soon.